Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Sushi QR code. These convenient codes are transforming how we order and enjoy our favorite rolls. They provide instant access to menus, special offers, and even payment options, all from your smartphone. We'll cover the various ways you can find and use these codes, whether you are dining in or ordering takeout. Get ready to streamline your sushi experience. When dining at a sushi restaurant, look for a QR code prominently displayed on your table, a stand, or directly on the physical menu. Simply open your phone's camera and point it at the code. Most modern smartphones will automatically recognize it and prompt you to open the linked digital menu. This makes browsing options and placing your order incredibly efficient. For online orders and delivery, QR codes often appear on your receipt, packaging, or within confirmation emails. These codes might lead to a feedback survey, exclusive discounts, or even a quick reorder link for your next sushi craving. If you are picking up an order, some apps generate a unique QR code on your phone for quick and secure verification at the counter. If you are having trouble scanning a QR code, ensure there is good lighting and hold your phone steady, about 6 to 8 inches away. If your camera isn't recognizing it, try cleaning your lens or checking your phone settings to ensure QR code scanning is enabled. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Remember to check the description for a link to those containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.